Hey everyone, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. I have a brand new at-home device. It is a skin rejuvenating device. The name of the device is called Mlay, and I'm going to show you what it looks like right now. For the past 2 years, I've been using a radio frequency device that looks like this. It's kind of a very basic skin rejuvenating radio frequency device. This one is a very professional looking device. Let me show you what it looks like, and we're going to do the treatment together on my face, and I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it.
This is the box the Mlay device comes in. This device can be used by both men and women. This device is a safe and effective radio frequency form of electromagnetic energy technology. These are the different skin tones that can use this device. Women or men aged 25 to 70, and the skin tone needs to be in the range of 1 through 4. You can use it on your face and neck, your abdomen, your arms, and also your buttocks and thighs. For demonstration purposes in this video, I think I'm just going to focus on my face. The device comes in a very sturdy box. I actually store my device in this box. It's covered in a hard plastic. I just took that off. And now you can see it's a very simple device to use. There is a timer that goes in 10-minute increments. You can choose between 3 different levels. You turn it on in the back, and there is an outlet where the electrode handle gets plugged in, which is this, and then also where the actual plug that goes into an electrical socket gets plugged in. I'm putting the electrode handle in the cradle. There's a very detailed instruction manual. There are 2 different electrodes. This smaller one is for the face, and then the larger one is for the body. It also comes with something called a base gel, and this is a gel that is specifically formulated, and it ensures just proper delivery of the radio frequency energy. Everything's plugged in. We are ready to go. I'm going to switch it on, and I'm just going to set it for 10 minutes. For now, I'm going to start off with level 1.
This device is a radio frequency device. It can be used on both your face and your body, which I've never had one like that before. So this is something new and different for me. This Mlay device really is a skin and body rejuvenating device. So I've never had one before that actually looks this professional. So I'm hoping I can get some great results. You will feel like a very warm sensation on your skin. It uses non-invasive, what's called bipolar radio frequency technology. Super excited to use this. I love anything that's going to help to stimulate and reshape collagen production.
All right, just a little bit of biology. This is the slice of your skin. That outermost layer is your epidermis, and a little deeper is the dermis. The way this device works is it's a radio frequency device that's in the form of electromagnetic energy. That energy then generates heat as a result of tissue resistance to the movement of the electrons within the radio frequency field. Subcutaneous heat is then generated, and that results in new collagen, and also it enhances any existing collagen that's in your skin. This should lead to wrinkle reduction and an improvement in your skin's elasticity. The Mlay device actually generates enough thermal effect to induce collagen remodeling. Just to be on the safe side, you want to make sure you always read all the instructions in the manual before you start doing the treatment, and also take a small test area of skin, and that will be your preliminary testing area to see how your skin reacts to the device.
And then we're going to actually do my very first treatment. This is my start day. And today I'm not going to treat my body. Today I'm just going to do a facial treatment. So let's take some before shots. This is my before face. And then we will follow this. I would say let's do it every 3 months and see what changes I see in my skin. So this is a frontal view of my face. You can see the wrinkles under my eyes here. There's a profile on this side. And then there's a profile on this side. So you can use this device on your face, the sides of your neck. You can use it on your buttocks. You can use it on your abdomen. You can use it on your thighs, and you can even use it on your arms. The only area of your neck they tell you to avoid is your throat area right here. So I'm going to turn on the back of the device. And we're going to start with my forehead. The timer goes in 10-minute increments. So I'm just going to push 10 minutes for now. And because I've never used this device before, this is the very first time, I'm going to use just level 1. You want a completely clean face, free of any alcohol, free of everything. So my face is completely clean. And you also want to use what's called a base conducting gel. This is very important. All these devices use some type of conducting gel so the device works properly. The best way to do it is do one section of your face at a time. I am going to do my forehead first. I'm going to put a thin layer of the conducting gel on my forehead. Rub it all in, down the sides here. And if you follow the manual, it shows you in the manual all the different areas of your face and body and the amount of time you're supposed to do that area of your face. So for my forehead, it is a 5-minute treatment. I'm going to take the device out. This is the electrode for the face. And then you're going to move the device up and down your face. You want to make sure it makes complete contact with your skin. And actually, I think I'm going to put this on level 2. Now that I tested it out, I know kind of what it feels like. You want to just keep moving the device slowly. And for your forehead, you're just going to do up and down motion. Right, I'm done with my forehead. Now I'm going to work on my crow's feet. So I'm going to put this on one eye. You want to avoid your eyeball, but you can do the area of your eyebrow. You want to do a 3-minute treatment per eye. So then you just follow the timer and start going. Now for the eye, you're going to move this side to side gently. And this feels very kind of comforting and warm. And this is a side-to-side motion. Be very gentle on the eye area. You can see how that heat energy is going deep into the dermis of my skin, and it's promoting circulation here, and that's what's going to help with increasing and activating collagen. And this should work on the fine lines and wrinkles I have around my eye area, and hopefully also tighten up my face and increase the elasticity of my skin. And if you need to use a little bit more gel, just add it to your skin. You want the electrode to move freely over your skin. The 3 minutes is up on this eye. I'm going to move to the other eye now and do that for 3 minutes. I have my forehead done. I did both of my eyes. So now I'm going to set the timer again, and I'm going to work on my cheeks and these nasolabial folds, which I can't stand. Let's do that. And we're going to do one cheek at a time. You want to do just one area at a time with the gel. That way the gel does not dry out before you get to that area. So that's on there. And now for the cheek area, you're going to move in circular motion on your cheek. But then when you get to those nasolabial folds, you're going to go up and down those. And then circular motions back on your cheek. And I'm going to do this cheek for 5 minutes. 5 minutes on this side, and then 5 minutes on the other side. So you can see how it's heating up the skin and increasing that circulation, but you want to keep the electrode moving at all times. It's not super hot, it just feels nice and warm. This area is done on my cheek, and I'm going to move over to this cheek, and I'm going to do this same way for 5 minutes. Even though the timer only does 10-minute intervals, it's a good way to just kind of keep track of how long you've been using the device. It just makes it easier to keep track of time. And remember, you want to keep full contact of the electrode on the skin. So you don't want to go around like this. You want to go around like this. This feels really soothing and comforting on my face. It's just heating up the skin gently. Okay, I am all done with my face. All you do then is turn off the back of the machine, unplug it, and then just take a damp cloth with a little bit of water on, wipe off the electrode, and store it in an area really away from water and the bathtub. I prefer to do it on my vanity and just store the device in the box to keep it safe. That is it. We did an entire treatment of my face. Like I said, I can also do the sides of my neck. I can do my buttocks, my abdomen, my arms, my thighs. But really for me, I'm really kind of focusing on my face. Would love to get some tightening in my skin and also help with fine lines and wrinkles. I'm a true believer in radio frequency devices. I have been using this very basic radio frequency device for the past 2 years now, or maybe almost 3 years. I'll come back. I'll be doing this probably once. I think for my age group, they said it's supposed to be used once every 2 weeks. I think that's what it said in the manual. I think if you're younger, you can do it once a week, but I'm pretty sure they said for more mature skin to use it once every 2 weeks. I'll do it for maybe 3 to 4 months, and then I'll come back with a before and after, and that way you can really see what skin rejuvenation has occurred over that time period. I'll follow this device probably for 2 years. Obviously, if I really love it, I will keep using it after the 2-year mark. You always want to make sure you use it with the base gel. It's very important because that's the way the electrode floats over your skin. Hope you enjoyed seeing this device. I will leave the link for the Mlay radio frequency device down in my description box. I will also leave any promo or discount codes I was able to get from the company. Take care, guys. You guys know I love at-home devices. Super excited to use this. Bye-bye from Marla.